Aloha YouTube, Doc Rick here. Not here doing a review or unboxing. Just wanted to share my rotation for everyday carry. So in preparation for my CCW, just wanted to share with you what I'm gonna rotate with. So with that, this is what I keep at my bedside. It's my Springfield XD 9mm with a TLR 600 lumen weapons light with a laser. So this is what I keep at bedside. Oh, you know what? Safety check. Sorry, guys. Loaded magazine. Empty. So this is what I carry at the bedside. Put that away. For everyday carry, CCW, I am rotating between what's in here and what's in here. So let me show you what's in here first. This is my Smith and Wesson Shield 9mm. Let's do the safety check. Magazine is out. Empty, empty. Carry the Smith and Wesson Shield in 9mm with the hoe grip, and then I carry it in a Bravo Concealment holster inside the waistband, single clip. I also have a TLR 6 light and laser combo for the single stack guns. It's a single stack. The extended magazine holds 8, and then the flat magazine holds 7. And then again, I carry this in my Bravo Concealment inside the waistband holster, Kydex. And then I rotate it with this, my Glock 23 in 40 caliber Smith and Wesson. Safety check. Double stack magazine, so obviously it's a little thicker. Chamber's empty. And then I carry a weapons light, Streamlight TLR 1 HL. And then I carry that in a Bravo Concealment outside the waistband Kydex holder, light bearing. So .75" belt loops. So why do I rotate between the two? Simple. If I want to carry this outside the waistband, if I'm wearing a thick sweatshirt, I can go ahead and use this. 40 caliber, that's the obvious. It's a bigger gun, bigger stopping power. And then when I'm either dressed up or when I'm not wearing something loose and baggy, I'll carry this inside the waistband. Obviously it's a smaller gun. When you do the comparisons, and the comparison is that there's no weapons light on this one. However, I think that's going to tell you a lot. Again, this is single stack, double stack. So with that, again, I just wanted to share with you my rotation between CCW, everyday carry, Glock 23, Bravo Concealment, Smith and Wesson Shield 9mm, single clip, and then what's on my nightstand at any given time. Thanks for watching this, for taking the time to watch it. It's a 4-minute video, so if you like it or if you saw some good information, press that like button. Follow me. I actually need some followers. I'm new to YouTube, so you know, you like what you see. I guarantee if you know, give it 30 seconds. If you like it, keep watching it. Click on that like. I'd really appreciate it. Put some comments too as well. Hey, big thanks, big mahalos, shaka plenty, and aloha. Again, this is Doc Rick.